Hi, in front of me is VIVO Y200 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to Access Apps section. Then tap on App Clone and click on the switcher next to one of your apps that you wish to clone. As you can see, after that, when I go back, my WhatsApp app was successfully cloned. If you want to delete this clone, go back to the same settings and click on the now blue switcher next to it. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!